Hey guys, Andrew here, and got an unboxing with you. It's from my favorite fingerboarding company. It's called Roswells. And yeah, this package actually took a bit longer than usual, but yeah, let's get started. I got this, socks. I got a t-shirt. There's a t-shirt. There's this beanie. Oh no, wait, this is from Young and Reckless. Oh, that's cool. Okay, yeah, I got a Young and Reckless beanie. I got a t-shirt, Young and Reckless. Got some socks right here. You guys can see the Young and Reckless. So yeah, that's really cool. Now, what else do we have right here? Move a bit. Okay. So, right here are. Okay, we have. This is like the best foam grip tape you can get. I really like. I actually prefer it. I prefer this a bit more than rip tape. So we have like Tampa Bay. Then here's like the list of what I got and stuff. Let's see what else. Okay. And oh yeah, a dodo. Little alien dude. I like these. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. There's something else inside there. Okay, so let's see what this is. I know it's been a while since I actually had something from Roswells. I haven't been buying a lot of new stuff from them. I've just kind of been getting more ramps and stuff, obstacles. But yeah. I actually don't know if I ordered this. It's glow in the dark grip tape. That's cool. Okay, we got a sticker. And these Pro, which look really good, edition bearing wheels. I actually got this for my main deck setup, I guess, that I use a lot. It's this one. I did a video using this, and if you guys can hear, just kind of hear the sound. Yeah, that's really bad. I think, I'm not sure, but I'm positive that I blew out the bearings. Because I've used these a lot. But yeah. So yeah, let me just open it and see. This is actually like my first time unboxing wheels. I've unboxed trucks, decks, ramps. But yeah, this is my first time with wheels. Not my first, and I mean it's my first, and it's really not going to be my last. But yeah. Okay, this is a sticker. These here are the wheels. I like them. The bearing wheels. They're the Pro edition or Pro model. But yeah, so I'm gonna set them up. And I'll come back to you guys in a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, okay, I'm back and I set it up. Here's how it looks now. Kinda like the colors. I always like colorful, different, like, I'm always different a bit in colors. But yeah, hear how it sounds. Sounds more smoother. Right, smoother. Yeah, I like it. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Bye. Ciao. Oh, and also, guys, I'm not gonna be posting any more videos on my other YouTube channel that was Chris Webb. Now it's Anders Webb. So yeah, and I'm also gonna make like a video of my setups, which would be all of these right here, except for the tech thing. But yeah, all of these right here will be my setup video, plus this one right here. So yeah guys, that's about it. And yeah, so stay tuned for that and some other reviews like this tech ramp right there, the mani pad right here. I'm gonna do another one of the other review of this one, and this right here, the quarter curve. So yeah guys, later, ciao.